tayo na nakapag-allocate ng 8 million. Yung po sinasabing bottoms-up planning, kung ano sa akin. Kasi talaga pong yung
Last December 6 and 7, 2012, the members of the Sangguniang Bayan of Tanay made an official invitation for a budget hearing to the local government units of Tanay and also for them to formally witness the signing of documents pertaining to the finalization of annual budget for the year 2013. The two-day event was held at Bakasyonan Resort and Conference Center, Iba, Zambales.
Kaya tama yun, nakakaluwa talaga.
Municipal Vice Mayor Jaime B. Vista led the Sangguniang Bayan members in the honor of signing the documents after thorough and careful evaluation.
Ilang beses po kaming umattend ng public
Municipal Budget Officer Ms. Nanita Vines presided the hearing as department heads of LGU Tanay and their representatives stand witness to the signing.
Yun po yung ilagment ngayon kasi naka-angkot tayo sa taas. Sumusunod tayo kung ano po yung mga pinapatupad. Nakita po ninyo na yung requirements ng seal of good housekeeping. Kaya si accountant po,
after the event had finally drawn to a close, the delegates get their well-deserved rest and they relax at the nearby beach resort to complete their two-day working visit at Iba, Zambales.
Naiinggit yung mga naiwan doon.
Video pa yan.